Hello to all our followers, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyles shop in Granada Hills. What we got here today is HPI Racing Jumpshot Short Course version 2. They just released this vehicle this Friday, and this vehicle, let's open it and show what there is inside. It's a full ball bearing. It's have actually metal gear differentials that usually they're plastic. This one is gonna be metal. They're gonna have a lot of cool stuff in it, like the shock, the aluminum frame. Let me open it up and show you what we got inside. Don't forget, like and subscribe before we continue. To start, of course, we always need to find where the seal is right here. It's closed. They put it, you know, nobody touched it before, so when you buy it, make sure they're closed. And you open it up, and right there you can see, you cannot see anything, now you can see the vehicle is packed really nice. They put it in a nylon so it's not going to get scratched. Let's pull it out. And you get some book with it. You're gonna get over here kind of like your instruction manual and parts, so don't ever throw away those books. They are pretty important, so you have it. As long as you have the car, you will have all the part numbers. Let's move this away and put the remote out. Now when you get the vehicle right now, it's tied to the box. Tied to the box pretty strong, so we're gonna have to cut it. No, this one we don't have to cut. You just slide. That's it, 1 and 2. Okay, and then we have to release the pins. Let's see. They put the body inside and then they close the pins on it, so it's not going to scratch on delivery. So it's kind of harder to open, but we can do it. There it is. This is the most complicated packing I ever did, like on this channel, I think. That's it. So the body is already out. Let's put it back over here. It's a messy opening. This is the vehicle. Let's move those pins so we're not going to lose those. This is the vehicle. So this is a brushed electric. They're giving you the remote. It's a regular 3-channel remote. We don't really care. We care about the vehicle itself. So it's a brushed electric short course truck. They're very inexpensive, and they're going to be very good. And let me show you why. To start, beautiful body. It's pretty big. And when you remove the body, first thing you can see that this is aluminum frame. This aluminum frame that they did, it's very similar to older vehicle that HPI have the frame, not the entire vehicle. And what they did, it's very durable. When you hit something, this will not bend or break. Now you have your coilover adjustable shocks. I'm gonna go over in a second and show those. It's waterproof, and they made here the gears are exposed because it's a clear cover, so you're going to be able to see what's going on inside. If you're going to grind any of those gears, it will be very easy for you to see where you need to change them. And on the front, the steering servo is right here, and it sits kind of backwards to what you usually used to see. And you can see from the front here, this will be hard to do, right there you're going to be able to see the servo. So if you ever need to change it, it's just going to be very easy to do. And you can hear it's about a good servo running pretty smooth. Now I think that this is kind of could be a buggy and a short course truck, depend what wheels are going to put on it. It's very narrow, so it's less tough to hit. So when you're going to go around rocks, the wheels will have, usually the cars, the short course truck, they're usually a little bit wider, and there's stuff that they're going to hit from the side. This is definitely not going to do that. This thing is a rear wheel drive, and I think for jumping this is going to be awesome because the weight is on the back. Now you will need battery and a charger. Those vehicles not equipped with a battery and a charger, it will take 2S LiPo battery or regular nickel metal battery. And again, I'm gonna turn it just so you guys can see all around the vehicle. They make here, it's like small opening. You have your ESC, it's a brushed electric ESC, and the motor that they put on it, it's a 540 brushed motor right there. You can upgrade later to brushless, and I'm sure that you're gonna have beautiful performance out of this vehicle. That being said, this for beginners will be a pretty fast car. Highly recommended for the price because it's going to be a very strong vehicle. The arms and everything on it look like they made really good, and again, HPI usually doing very good product. I hope that we're going to see this thing growing up to become to be four-wheel drive brushless. Let's put the body back on it just so you guys have another glance of how this thing look like with the body on. It's look pretty cool. If you want to compare it to other vehicles on the market, I think that price point, it's about $200 something, $209 or so. I think that this is a great deal. Consider that the frame is made out of aluminum, not out of plastic, so this can be a good thing. And then the remote that comes with it, it's a 3-channel remote, and those remote by themselves, they probably were like about $70 or $80. So you're getting like most of this vehicle is the electronics in it. That's it. Very quick review on this thing. It's a very basic vehicle, but again, it's entry level. We don't always need to show all the expensive stuff. We need to show some stuff for beginner. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Don't forget like, subscribe, and share, and look for all the giveaway that we're doing this year. If you have any comments, put it below over there, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.